Hey, I just want to show y'all how the beach at Alabama Point, Perdido Pass, has changed over the last 25 years of photos on Google. Here you see it as the last photo is January of 2019. We'll go back in time. 2018, it's moved west a little bit. I'm out on my back porch and you're hearing the air helicopters. Moved a little bit. 2015 still pretty much. You can see the different shape along the, a great change from 15 to 13. '12, 11, June of 2011, December of 2010, May of 2010, April of 2010, February of 2008, November 2007, June 2006, December 2004, January 2004, November 1999. Look at that huge change. And January of 1994. Gives you an idea of maybe why I wouldn't jump anymore from such a high place. And that's just what you see of beach. You don't know that it's only 2 feet deep in other places. Run through it back up to the current photo. And of course the angle is a little bit different with each photo, but it's pretty close. Alright, that was a little display. Hope y'all enjoyed it.